will show you how to fix the blurry strokes in Procreate Dreams. Feel free to download this project file following the instructions in the description box below. So over here, we have some stuff on our canvas. Say that I want to draw something extra. You just want to tap on the draw mode to bring out your brushes, and you can choose your color and then say that you draw something that seems to be proportional to your drawing on screen. This seems great at a distance, but when you zoom in, you can see your brushes, the new blue brushes, are not as crisp. They're just not up to par to other details. To fix that, you want to draw at the most detail that you want it to be. Say that you want your brush stroke to be crisp at this level. So you want to zoom in to this level to draw instead of drawing while everything is zoomed out. And you might want to increase the brush size. And then this will give you a crisp line. This is very different from what we have seen before. So just give you a more exaggerated comparison. I'm going to zoom in super, super small and then just draw something. And then when I zoom back out, you can see it kind of appears to be really cloudy. Again, the solution is to draw when you're in the detail view, zoomed in view. And this will give you the crisp line. So that's how you fix the blurry strokes in Procreate Dreams. I will see you in the next video.